Hey everyone, this is how to book a flight on Hopper. So open the app on your mobile device, then your home screen should look something like this. On top, you'll see many options called hotels, flights, cars and homes. Simply tap on the second option called flights. After tapping on flights, you can now go and start your search by tapping on the search bar at the top. And from here, you can write where you want to go. So let's say I want to go from Las Vegas, Nevada to New York. So go ahead and fill out the date. So after selecting the date, tap on search and Hopper is going to search the flights for you. And it is that easy. This is how you can book the best flights and you can choose your budget as well. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much and I'll see you guys next time.